Welcome and thanks for joining us at EMII.com. I'm Tim Kelly with your hedge fund headlines. Today's Tuesday, February 3rd, 2009. India's public sector banks will soon have access to private equity business as banking regulator RBI is completing guidelines that will permit state-owned banks to undertake private equity. According to the Rupee Times, an association connected with the development information that the guidelines are almost ready and that the announcement is expected by the end of the current financial year. Earlier in February of 2008, when State Bank of India had announced its plans to buy a 17.75% stake in a Mumbai-based PE firm, Sage Capital Funds Management, RBI had objected the banking leader. The deal is pending as the formal announcement of the approval is not yet declared by the RBI. Staying with hedge fund news, Mark Shuttleworth, the second space tourist, has invested $10 million in Sparrow, a London hedge fund. According to the Financial Times, Sparrow is backed by Michael Spencer, the billionaire founder of interdealer broker ICAP. Shuttleworth, a South African based in London, owns Here Be Dragons, an investment vehicle which funds venture capital in South Africa. And more hedge fund news, Blackstone, along with Hicks acquisition, has amended the $3.2 billion initial public offering of Graham Packaging, making it easier for the agreement to be annulled. According to Alt Assets, the combined enterprise will apply for listing on the New York Stock Exchange. As part of the agreement, the private equity firm will hold the largest single ownership stake for at least 2 years. And in other hedge fund news, Permira has frozen the sale of its stake in the German specialty chemicals company Cognis until the current economic crisis ends. According to Reuters, Permira is considering an initial public offering as an exit option from Cognis, formerly owned by detergents maker Henkel. And that rounds out today's hedge fund headlines. Thanks for joining us on EMII.com. For more details on these stories and much more, click on our asset management channel online and read the full stories and latest developments.